I tried car flipping and it was not what I expected. To start flipping, I need to buy a car, and my budget is 2,000 euros. Searching for cars on Autoscout, Mobile and Marketplace. So we finally found a car that fits in our budget. So let's go look at it. Turn this car on. We got 111,000 kilometers on the dash, so the car is basically almost brand new. Wait. Did this guy just say brand new? Oh man, if he knew what was coming at him. Even a nice air freshener in the car. A little radio. And yeah, it's not bad for the price that I got it for. Here you have a poor guy who's about to be scammed. Let's go drive this baby home. I'm gonna start to clean the car, make it ready to take the pictures and put it up for sale. So, let's go.
Nice.
So, because I don't own a pressure washer to wash the car, we're just gonna use the water bucket. First, we're gonna use the sponge to get the car all soaped up. And next, we will use the water bucket to rinse the car. And try not to take a shower like I did. So, now that the car is all dried up, I'm gonna take some pictures and we will list the car online. A few days passed, we listed the car online. We're gonna already look at the next car, so let's go.
Power on. Bluetooth.
So guys, I realized something. We had a client come by and he pointed out a few things about the car, which made me realize the car has a engine problem. So we bought a car which has a failing head gasket. So if you don't know what a head gasket is, let me give you a little one-on-one lesson on cars. The head gasket is the seal between the engine block and the cylinder heads. After some time the head gasket just gives up. If that happens, cooling liquid gets into the engine, which can lead to catastrophic engine failures. Basically, engine kaput. You can spot a failing head gasket by mayonnaise. So unless your engine runs with fries, run away if you see mayonnaise on the engine lid. As you can see of the type of mayonnaise that it has on it. And that's the reason we wasn't able to sell the car. The car is failing. The engine is done. So it's been 3 months, and after 3 months we finally managed to sell the car. But you guys might be asking yourself, how much did I sell the car for and did I make any profit? Well, let's do the math. We bought the Skoda for 1,100 euros and we sold it for 400. And then we have our Fiat, which I flipped in a day. I paid 500 euros for that car and I managed to sell it for 900. So in total, we're still down 300 euros. But that's just what happens sometimes. And now for the big question, was it worth it? Yeah, 100%. I might have lost some money, but I learned a lot of things which will help me flip cars in the future. So, if you don't want to miss out on my journey, make sure to hit the subscribe button and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.